AFEN drink and snack vending machine. Integrated all-steel fuselage, sturdy and durable. With 6 shelf spiral slots, the slots can be customized with pusher slots and conveyor slots, etc. Suitable for selling snacks and beverages such as chips, bread, etc. Button purchase support various payment methods such as banknotes, coins, scan codes, etc. Machines can be installed in subway stations, shopping malls, residential communities, scenic spots, airports, and other places with a large flow of people. The size of the pickup port can be customized according to actual needs. Support local currency. Consult us for details. What kind of vending machine do you want to know? Do you like this kind of vending machine? Welcome to Inquire.